Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll be diving into sources you can use to finance your small business. We will also providing you with expert insights, tips, and advice to help you navigate securing the deal. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just getting started, this video will provide you with valuable information to help you succeed. So please like and subscribe. This will help boost our content across all social media platforms like YouTube. Let's begin. Self-funding. This is the most common way for entrepreneurs to start their business by investing their own money. Friends and family. You can raise funds from friends and family, but it's important to have a formal agreement in place to avoid any misunderstandings. Crowdfunding. This involves raising small amounts of money from a large number of people through online platforms like Kickstarter or Indiegogo. Angel investors. These are wealthy individuals who invest in startups in exchange for equity ownership. Venture capital. This is a form of private equity financing provided by investors to startups and early-stage companies. Small Business Administration, SBA, loans. The SBA provides loans to small businesses, which are partially guaranteed by the government. Traditional bank loans. You can apply for a loan from a bank, but you need to have a good credit score and a solid business plan. Credit cards. You can use credit cards for short-term financing, but the interest rates are usually high. Equipment financing. This type of financing is used to purchase or lease equipment for your business. Invoice factoring. This involves selling your outstanding invoices to a factoring company at a discount in exchange for immediate cash. Grants. There are various grants available from government agencies, foundations, and corporations that provide funding for specific types of businesses and industries. By understanding the diverse range of financing options available, you can confidently make informed decisions that enable your business to thrive and achieve long-term financial success. Thanks for watching.